विद्यार्थ्यांक शिक्षण हे आवय भाशेंतल्यानूच दिवपाक जाय अशें मत राज्यपाल श्रीधरन पिल्लय हांणी उक्तायलें. पयलीं भारतांत सुमार 7,000 वेगवेगळ्या आवय भाशा आशिल्ल्यो, मात आतां फकत 3,500 उरल्यात. ते तिगोवन दवरपाची गरज आशिल्ल्याचें राज्यपालांचें म्हणणें. इंडियन असोसिएशन ऑफ लायफ स्किल्स एज्युकेशन आनी निर्मला इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ एज्युकेशन हांचे जोड पालवान राजभवनान 10वो आंतरराष्ट्रीय लायफ स्किल्स एज्युकेशन परिशदेचें आयोजीत केल्लें. ह्या परिशदेचें उक्तावण केल्या उपरांत राज्यपाल उलयलो.
And agreeing and endorsing as a person sitting in the chair of the governor and endorsing it in full. It's my bounden duty to endorse it also. But at the same time, some Vedantas eliciting what is within a student. For that purpose, whether we are able to do that. In a classroom, a talented student, very much interested in singing, drawing a picture, an artist, whether our system is able to elicit that aspect individually and then molding him for the society, that is a question. What is things to be in the second stage of our educational system? New education policy is there. After that, we will look into that. And amendment to the constitution also, 51 and 1975, there was an amendment to our constitution, added certain provisions that insist we will look into that. And education policy is concerned, we are all, of course, curriculum is there, examination is there.
This conference will serve as a vibrant platform for cross-pollination, that's the most important thing, of ideas, inspiring discussions and meaningful collaborations. May our collective efforts lead to actionable outcomes. That's the most important thing, because you have conferences, but at the end of the day you find that yes, I had conference. But also I tell you that those students who are sitting here, this is a very good opportunity to interact with experts. But at the same time, you should not be a spectator here. Rather, you must always think, because the need of the hour is that learner-centric approach, not a resource-centric or resource person-centric or a teacher-centric approach. Because you have to think and you have to always ask questions, because you get many questions will be there. End of the day, you should be the most happiest person, because this conference is meant for that. So by interacting with that, you can always have a collaboration with many of the experts over here and see to that this can be a footstep, a strong footstep for a belief.